In today's video, I'm going to be drawing one drawing in 4 different art styles. I'm going to be dividing up the page into 4 each different style. First, I'm going to be starting with the Bowser in the X-ray style. I wanted to thank everyone who enjoyed my last video, which gave me the inspiration to draw Bowser from this new Mario movie. Also, don't forget to stay till the end to see our end results. Next, I'm going to be drawing the glitch effect style. Effect art style. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also let me know in the comments which side is your favorite one. And here is our end results. Also, don't forget to please subscribe and like this video and comment.